What's good in the hit, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video.
My style untouchable. When I'm in my zone, I'm gone.
And in today's video, we're gonna be working on the Marrow. Alright, so what I'm gonna show you guys in this video is how to change out your cabin filter, air filter. A lot of people be forgetting about this part right here. When you go into your car, you wanna make sure your engine's good, right? This is the air box right here. That's where you change your air filter for your engine. But a lot of people forget about the inside. And most cars, you'll be finding it inside, located inside the glove compartment, and you're gonna have to replace it really easy. But for the Marrow, it's located underneath the hood right here. And to get access into that is very simple, not too hard. All you're gonna need is this plastic tool remover right here for your bolts. Those plastic bolts right here. Let me set you guys up somewhere where it's easy to see. There you go. That's what you wanna do. Take this off right here, move it to the side. This panel right here is all you're gonna be working on. Get in there, pop that open. That open. It should be only 3 on this side. You can actually buy this kit right here that I have on Amazon. It has all the tools you need right here. Oh yeah, it comes with everything you need. Most times you will want to replace these because they get worn out and they break easily. So yeah, take these, put it to the side as well. Oh my goodness, pop that open. Put them together so you don't lose them. As you can see, these are all worn out, but it's okay. This still works. This is a very easy job, by the way. Nothing too major, but it is very important to change out your filters, especially the one in your cabin filter, because that one is mostly forgotten. And you need it so you can breathe in good air. After you're done with that, all you gotta do is just remove this, lift it up, just carefully from the back side right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Leave that to the side, and it is located right here. See that? It has some clips on the side. All you gotta do is just pull out this way. Bada bing. And this should come out just like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Mine is new. I replaced it like last week. But yeah, same method. Put it back in. Slide it in like that. Take your protective clip. Oh, damn. I'm banging everything. Clip right into place on both sides. Make sure it's secured. Reverse the method. Take your plastic cover. Line it in the back first right here. You gotta finagle it. Finagle. That's a funny word. There you go. Snaps into place. Then you get your stuffs. Plug them right in. Push down to lock into place. Almost lost that piece, but it's okay. I have like 250 more. Bada bing, bada boom. Take this rubber part. And you're good. That's all it is. A lot of mechanics charge you a lot of money for this job right here, and you just did it in less than 5 minutes. I took a little longer because I was talking, but yeah. But anyways, y'all, that's about it. That's how you change your cabin air filter in your vehicles. And this particular one is for the Chevy Camaro 2011. All right, y'all, if you guys are enjoying this video, and if you guys learned something from it, please smash that like button. Smash, smash, subscribe to your homie for more content like this or anything else I do on this channel. And yeah, man, thank you for rocking with me. Until the next one, all right, y'all? So with that being said, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and I'll see y'all in the future. Deuces. Let's go, baby. Make sure to clean your hands at the end of the day, all right? Before you eat anything or touch anything. Don't fucking handshake me unless your hands are clean, all right? Fist pump all day. All right, y'all.
My style untouchable. When